Tell you the types of polarized light. I in the previous video I have told you that the light is partially polarized, linearly polarized, but there are more polarized light. That is the circularly polarized light and elliptically polarized light. Number one, partially polarized light. Number two, linearly or plane polarized light. Number three, circularly polarized light. Number four, elliptically polarized light. These are four kinds of the polarized light. Now I will show you by diagrams. When I have this, the vibrations are like this one. In this way, vibrations are not in all directions, but they are in few directions. Then this is called a partially polarized light. Partially polarized light. It is first kind that I have told you here. Partially polarized light. Now linearly or plane polarized light. Now when we have the vibrations like this or like this, only in one direction, when the vibrations are only in one direction, then this is called plane polarized light. I have taken this is a vertical line, this I have taken horizontal line, so this is called vertically polarized light, this is called horizontally polarized light. So this is vertically polarized light. This is horizontally polarized. And these both are called the linearly polarized light. Linearly or plane polarized light. Plane polarized plane polarized light. Now third is circularly polarized light. Now when the light vector is like this one, in this way, light vector rotates. This is now light vector, and this rotates like this. So this is called circularly polarized light. This is light vector or electric vector. Now this rotates in this way, so this makes the circle. So this is called the circularly polarized light. It is now circle. Circularly polarized light. This circularly polarized light is obtained by quarter wave plate. So this is, the wave plates are of two types. There are so many kinds of the wave plates, but this circularly polarized light is obtained by the half wave plate. Two are there, half wave plate and quarter wave plate. Half wave plate produces this circularly polarized light. It is produced by half wave plate. And number 4, elliptically polarized light. Now this is like this one. This is now electric vector. Now this rotates in this way, so this is now ellipse. This is now light vector. Ellipse, and this is now light vector. Light vector. So here the amplitude of the electric vector is constant. Here the amplitude of electric vector is not constant, but it is varying. Because of that, it is the electrically polarized light. It is produced by quarter wave plate. I will tell you about these wave plates later on, but actually this is not involved in the syllabus of any of the competitive exam or this that we call the board exam. So this is only the name that you have to keep in mind, that if we take the half wave plate, then there will be the circularly polarized light, and if we take the quarter wave plate, then there will be the elliptically polarized light. So in this wave, the plane polarized light is made incident on the quarter wave plate. Then the transmitted wave from the plate will be circularly or plane polarized light. The incident plane polarized light is incident on the wavelet. The transmitted light transmitted light through will be through wavelet will be circularly or elliptically polarized depending upon the nature of wavelet. It means this has to be remembered that unpolarized light is not to made incident on the wavelet because there will be symmetry of vibration, so that the transmitted light will not be circularly polarized or elliptically polarized. But the plane polarized light is made to incident on the wavelet. Then the light transmitted through the wavelet will be either circularly polarized or elliptically polarized depending upon the nature of the wavelet. If you have taken the half wavelet, then the transmitted light will be circularly polarized, and if you have taken the quarter wavelet, then the transmitted light through the plate will be elliptically polarized. So this is what that I have told you about this one. So this is how to produce the elliptically and the circularly polarized light. The plane polarized light is produced by so many simple methods that I will discuss later on. So this is the types of polarization of the light. So thank you very much.